getting close. Your faith can move a mountain, love can't move a boat. They say, keep your Judas close, like Jesus. Just because you're hating don't mean I don't need ya. Let's take a vow. Me, myself, and I say that we see your growth. But hey, what do I really know? If you don't believe, you've been restored. Ooh, ah, you've been restored. Ooh, ah.